This is one of our simple style Canva templates, designed to help you create a professional-looking flyer in just minutes. Much like the other templates in our range, all you need to do is update the fonts to match your brand, add your content, change the logo, and swap out the image. Everything falls into place with minimal effort, so you're not left second-guessing layout or design choices. The structure is clean and thoughtfully laid out, yet flexible too, so you can make it feel like your brand without starting from scratch or disrupting the design. This particular design uses two fonts and a single color, but it works just as well if you need to add extra colors to match your brand. Spacing tweaks, image changes, or small adjustments, none of it is locked in. That's the beauty of this template. You can jump right in, make updates that reflect your message, and balance things out, and be ready to share or print in no time. Because it's built in Canva, there's no special software or steep learning curve. Whether you're customizing your first flyer or your 50th, the process remains fast and approachable. These templates are especially helpful if you're a small business owner, freelancer, or managing things solo. Anyone who needs professional-looking materials without the back and forth of custom design. And if you're using this flyer as part of a larger brand rollout, you'll be happy to know it's one of many templates in the same simple theme. You can carry the look across your website, stationery, benefit cards, posters, social posts, and more, creating consistency across your brand without the stress of starting over each time. Explore the full collection and see how easy branding can be, without overthinking it.